Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out this brand new 2025 Vibe 3400 BH travel trailer by Forestriver RV. This is a 3 slide out bunkhouse travel trailer here. A lot of really cool features. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside of this RV and really show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are up inside the brand new 2025 Vibe 3400 BH travel trailer, again by Forestriver RV. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this has a rear bunk room and a front master bedroom. We're going to start actually back here in the rear bedroom area, and then we'll work our way forward for you. So going through this door right here takes us into the bunk area, or kids' room. So it does have a slide out in this section. You have a window over there that opens. This top bunk will actually raise up during the day, keep it out of your way, and that would give you plenty of room to sit underneath of here and watch TV or chill out on a rainy day or whatever. Now that lower sofa actually flips out into a small queen bed. So you could sleep 4 people back here pretty reasonably. You're going to have another bunk section over here. You have 4 drawers down below. Decent amount of closet space here as well. Little built-in ladder. Window back there also opens. There's TV hookups up here, so you could maybe mount your TV on this back wall. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. You have a heat duct down there. Couple AC ducts in the ceiling to help keep this area cool in the summertime. Stepping back out into our kind of kitchen area here. So you have that 12 volt Furrion refrigerator right there, 10.7 cubic feet. You're going to have this very nice air fryer / convection oven setup right down here. 3-burner gas stove top, lots of drawer space, beautiful solid surface countertops, high-rise sprayer faucet, some nice hang-down pendant lighting here, skylight up above. And then over on this side, you have a kind of pantry area back here. These doors are held by a little magnetic holder. There's quite a bit of space here to stash you some food. And then underneath of the island area, you do have a little more storage down there. You're going to have a couple little scoop bar stools right here as well. Moving on up, you are going to have nice ottoman here, storage in there, or you can raise it up, use it as a table. But then over here is a little cushion that actually kind of straps to the tabletop to where you could actually use that as an extra seating area too if you wanted to. You do have the little LED light cup rings, and also underneath the little armrest folds down right here, so you could obviously put some extra drinks there, USB charger port, flip it up, give yourself a little extra room too. You do have the Furrion 30-inch electric fireplace. It's basically a fancy electric space heater, but it does help knock the chill off in the RV. Now, shameless plug, guys, right there is the All About RVs YouTube channel. My All About RVs channel, one word, has currently going on 65,000 subscribers. If you're interested in keeping up with more videos, please hop over there and remember to subscribe. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button, help out the channel as well. You got a little theater seat, or no, sorry, not a theater seat, a tri-fold seat right here. So this would actually flip out and make into a bed. So if you have that occasional guest that might come, you could throw them right there. Look at those large windows overlooking that awning side or campsite area of the RV. There are a couple speakers in the ceiling in here as well. Digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your AC system. And right here you have some controls for the RV as far as like light switches, 12-volt tank heaters, awning, and slide out buttons, all located right here. Then you're going to have your bathroom area right here. So you have multiple drawers in here, some storage space, a little bit of counter space here. Nice sized medicine cabinet. You're going to have this step-in shower, skylight up above. You do have a little vent fan in here too. There's the on-demand water heater controls, a little bit of shelf space up there. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And you have heat and AC ducts in the bathroom as well. You'd be amazed how many models I've been in that don't have AC ducts in the bathroom. And then you just go in there to use it, and it's like sitting in an oven. Not very fun. Get out of the shower and start instantly sweating. So it's kind of nice when they actually do remember to duct the AC in there. And then you got your master bedroom up here. That second AC right there. Look how large that window is. You're going to have hanging closet on each side of the bed. Little cabinet space there as well. But then they also do these little shelves back in behind here. Electric outlet, USB charger port, directional reading lights. There is storage underneath the bed also. And then this area here, you could be, doing a hanging closet here, motion light kicking on. You have washer dryer hookups here. You could remove these shelves. You could do a combo washer dryer, or you could do a stack washer dryer, depending on what you prefer. And there is a sliding door here also to kind of close that off and make it look a little nicer. TV hookups over here, King Wi-Fi Connect prepping also over there. All right, let's step outside real quick. I want to show you around the outside of the RV. Going out the door here, there is a screen door. They call it a screen shot. But basically it helps close the screen door if you want the screen door to close, be separated from the main door. You also have the window built in that's Lippert thin shade ready. So there's an aftermarket shade you can buy for this window. I would definitely recommend that. You kind of see here it's got a little release latch, and then it just kind of closes there. Now for the actual entry door, it is that black safety glass entry exit door right there. You have the heavy duty More Ride step rated for 500 pounds. Comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet. Large grab handle to help you get in and out. All right, so let's start here. We have a gray exterior fiberglass. Aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall with some vinyl graphics on it. You have a lower gray or black aluminum skirting also. There is a large pass-through storage area right here. Very nicely done. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing up there. You have the front cap light switch right here. There's also a motion light here as well. Your baggage door is held up by a magnetic holder. Looks like we got a black baggage door on the outside, and you have that slam lock feature also. Now just kind of looking down below here, you could see power front stabilizer jacks, also a gas line hookup where you could plug in a portable grill if you wanted to. The unit does have an enclosed underbelly also. Now this one has 2 power awnings on it. Almost the whole side of this RV is covered by awning. That's pretty cool. So you do have, again, 2 power awnings, adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure, and you also have the nicer glow LED light bars in each awning. The unit has the wide stance axle system. Aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, but the wide stance axle system is supposed to make it more stable driving down the road, so hopefully less sway issues. I still would recommend a weight distribution and sway control system though. That definitely is going to help you no matter what suspension they got on there. You are going to have outside TV hookups and electric outlet right here if you wanted to set a TV outside. A very nice little setup back here. You got the mini fridge here. You got another smart TV right here. Looks like we got that very cool Hemisphere Roost Destination fifth wheel going on this TV. Check that out, guys. That's a really cool one. You got some storage back in here. Another motion light in here as well. That shelf in there, by the way, is metal, so that's kind of nice. Step back here so you can see this side a little bit better. The on-demand water heater. The furnace just to the right of that storage area there. You also have power rear stabilizer jacks too. Traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. You have spare tire mounted here on the back. Prepped in the top left corner for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. It's a very nice ladder system that basically would allow you to telescope up, hook on right there, climb up onto your roof, inspect your seams and seals, make sure your stuff is all being taken care of properly. Maybe sweep off the slide outs if you don't have slide out awning covers to help with that type of stuff. All right, speaking of the roof, I want to actually hop up here real quick and show you what that roof actually looks like. All right, I wanted to hop up here real quick and just kind of show you what the roof of the 3400 Vibe might actually look like for you. So again, this was ordered with 2 ACs. So right back here, you're gonna have a plumbing stack vent, one of your ACs, skylight, and a roof vent over there. Another plumbing stack vent, skylight, roof vent, TV antenna up there. Right in front of that TV antenna, that little black thing is prepping to add solar panels to the RV if you wanted to. And then you have your second AC up there. But really the whole point of kind of getting up here was to show you there's a lot of stuff up here on your roof, and it is very, very important that you get up here from time to time, maintain your seams and your seals and everything, and make sure you keep your roof nice and tidy. All right, let's head back down. All right, back down here on the ground. Again, just make sure you do your maintenance. That's extremely important. In the top center right there is prepping for the Furrion rear observation camera. A very nice camera system that would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into your campsite. Definitely talk with your sales guy about maybe putting one of those on, because that's a pretty cool feature. Or if you're handy, do it yourself. Now, 2 slide outs on this side. You obviously seen the one on the other side. That one over there was covered in by the main awnings, but these are not. So you might consider adding slide out awning covers to these. They basically roll in and out with the slide out. And again, it helps repel a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. So definitely talk with a salesperson about that. They can go over that more with you. Now just kind of looking down here, you can see one of your dump areas here. Again, enclosed underbelly. The very nice BAL huck bolted frame. I like the frame system that they use by Norco and Inshri. Very cool setup. Going forward a little bit more, you are going to have your detachable 50 amp power cord right here. That looks like that's probably, I'd say 30, maybe 35 feet long, somewhere right in that range. So a pretty good sized power cord. And then right here is going to be your second dump area. Let's step back here so you can see this a little better. All right, now here's going to be the other side of your storage compartment, and you have your city water inlet, black tank flush, gravity fill fresh water inlet, cable and satellite inlets, motion light, electric outlet, hot and cold outside utility shower, winterization bypass here. So very nicely done. Again, magnetic holder, slam lock baggage door. Now right here, some important informational stuff. So this tells me this RV 2025 was technically built 10/2 of 24. Model number 3,400 BH. The RV has a gross vehicle weight of 11,395 pounds. It has a tire size ST225 75R15 E-range tire with an 80 PSI cold. That is very important to keep up with your tire pressure. Now right down here is another sticker tells me my dry weight. So this RV was 8,839 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line. Had an exterior length of 39 feet 10 inches. Got a battery disconnect there, room for 1 or 2 batteries to go there. 2 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator. Power tongue jack with a light built-in manual override. You have a 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wire and plug, and a breakaway system. On the front here, you're going to have a very nice bubbled out 3/4 fiberglass front shell. You have a little LED light there. You have lower diamond plate. Now they also have these amber lights right here that work with your running lights. So that's pretty cool, a little different. But what do you guys think overall? Do you like the look of the new 2025 Vibe? Do you think, again, is this something that you and the family could maybe take somewhere or park it somewhere and leave it and, you know, have a real cool family adventure, guys? Thank you a bunch for taking the time to watch this RV video. Greatly appreciate it. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe. Thanks again.